What's good, traders? I hope you're doing good. Today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Binany trading platform, which is a binary options trading platform. So if you're a beginner or you want to get into binary options for the first time, or maybe you've been trading binary options, this is definitely the video you want to watch to the end. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything you do, make sure you do your own research and understand the risk involved. You have to be legal to access this platform. First off, you need to create an account, and you're going to do that via the link below. You'll click on it, or you can copy and paste it. For me, I already have an account, but it's very easy to sign up. Just use your email, go and confirm it, and that's it. You're done. Now, once you log in, this is the dashboard that you will have. First off, of course, you have to deposit into the account. So I'm going to show you how to deposit. Now, if you're in Kenya, you can use M-Pesa. You will deposit a minimum of 500 shillings, which is that one right there. And guess what? You get a 50% deposit bonus, which is really cool. You get 750 shillings credited into your account. So you will select the payment method, which is M-Pesa in my case. And you will fill in your information here, your phone number, starting with 254, of course. Then you will deposit 500 shillings and you will be credited with 750. If you decide to deposit 20,000 shillings, you will get 150% deposit bonus, which means your account will be credited with 50,000 shillings. Now, of course, you have to trade on this account for you to be able to withdraw. You cannot just withdraw the deposit bonus alone without trading. You have to trade, make a profit from that bonus, then be able to withdraw. But you can withdraw your initial amount, your initial deposit if you want to. You can also use other payment methods like crypto. That is if you're in Kenya. If you're outside of Kenya, there are other payment methods that are available. So here it's only showing what is available to me in Kenya. You can use Bitcoin, you can use Ethereum and USDT. Since I already have my account, I'm going to go straight into to show you how this whole platform is functioning. Now, of course, when you deposit, you have a live account and you have a demo account. So in this case, I'm going to use a demo account. Of course, when you're trading on a real account, you have to understand how the markets are moving for you to make correct predictions, right? Now, first off, you'll need to choose a trading pair or asset. With this platform, you get at least 50 assets to choose from. You have currencies, you have crypto, indices, and all of that. Now, for now, I have a USD. I love Forex, so I will go with Forex. I can add another one if I want to. I can go with currencies and choose Euro USD, GBP USD. So you can see I can have multiple pairs at the same time on the screen, right? So if I want to take a trade on GU, I just select it. If I want on USD, I just click on it. It's very simple to use. Now, in binary options, for every option you take, or for every trade you take, you choose a expiry time. Okay, you choose an expiry time and you set an amount that you're going to put at stake. So, for example, here I'm going to stake. Since I'm on a demo account, this is completely for practice, and I'm not going to be using any strategy here. I'm going to stake 10,000 shillings, right? Over here, I'm going to set the expiry time. In this case, let me go with 15 seconds, but you can choose all the way up to 15 minutes. Now, over here, down below on the bottom left, you have the time frame for the chart. Okay, you can choose. You can go with 5 minutes if you want to be on the 5-minute time frame. You can go with 1 minute, or in this case, I'll go with 15 minutes. This line right here is showing you the market price, and this line, the green line here, is showing you the expiry time. So for example, if I add my expiry time to 3 minutes, you can see it has gone away. So you are able to plan for your trades, right? Now let me go take it back to 15 seconds. Now this line here, this white line, is showing me the current market price. For example, you have two options, right? You can take a buy or sell. If I take a buy, I'm suggesting that the market will close above my entry point. In this case, I will make 88%. Now, how do I know it's 88%? Because right here you have it, the return 88%. You can also see it here. If it's on Euro USD, it's 86%. So if I buy an option with 10,000 shillings, I make 88% of that, which is 8,800 Kenyan shillings. Now you can use indicators, but I will get into that later. For now, let's just use the plain charts. So let's say you want to suggest that the price will close above the current price, right? So I'll just take a buy right there and then wait, right? My time limit is, my expiry time is 15 seconds. So you can see the counter here, it's counting. Once 15 seconds are over, the trade will expire. And like you can see, I have lost the trade because the price closed below my entry level or my entry price. Over here, you just set a time and that's it. The trade will automatically close once the time is over. If you want to put indicators on this platform, you will click on this button right here. Now I will choose one of these. The most popular is the Bollinger Bands, which is this one. Now let's assume it's going to sell. Of course, right now I'm just placing trades randomly. There is no analysis behind it. And we're going to wait for 15 seconds. You can see the counter here. And boom, you can see I have made 8,800 after staking 10,000, okay, which is 88%. You can also have multiple positions open on different pairs. So let me take a buy on USD. I will also go and take another buy on AUDUSD. So you can see I have two trades running at the same time. Of course, I will have to wait for 1 minute or 60 seconds before this trade expires and for me to get the results. You can also decide to close your position while it's running. Okay. So for example, let me close it right here. Boom, you can see I've closed it before the time ends. But of course, you will not get the exact profit that you were supposed to get, as opposed to if you hold the trade through the 1 minute that you were supposed to. All right, you can see I've made 8,600 shillings, which is 86%. So that's how you do it. This is a demo account, of course. Like I said, there's no analysis behind my trades. So make sure when you're trading on a real account, you do the proper research. Now, if you want to withdraw from this platform, you will come to the finance here and you will choose your payment method. In this case, we have M-Pesa. The minimum is 600 shillings. Payments will take about 30 minutes, as you can see here, but sometimes they can go up to 12 hours. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. My contacts are in the description. Of course, this is not a get rich quick scheme. So you need to take your time and understand how the markets move and the dynamics of binary options. So yeah, click the link in the description, sign up for binany.com and start trading. So that's it for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.